There goes the car. So right now I'm walking because my teammates for my production class need me. But as you can see, it's quite rainy, and I'm bringing got an umbrella, puddles everywhere, and it looks awesome, but I'm wet, so this kind of sucks. But she needs me, and I feel so bad, so gotta make it work. So yeah, hopefully I make it there alive. Look how amazing it looks. Why is no one out here? It's an amazing, oh sugar, I'm gonna die. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna, oh my gosh, raging waters. Look at that pattern. Whoa. Why is there a fire truck? Like, how's there fire in this weather? I'll probably get going for something else, but anyway, I'm just cruising because I'm, you know, that type of person. So yeah, it's awesome weather. Look at those mountains. Let's zoom in.
Go with the purple light. The purple demon light.
Shh, be quiet.
Why are we being quiet?
Because they're gonna see us. Look.
Hi guys. We're in the library. I don't know why she's making it creepy.
It's creepy. Oh my gosh. And at last I see the light.